Okay, so I'm going to try to factorize these quadratic equations. So our first one there, as you can see, is x squared minus 4x minus 12, and then the second one is x squared plus 7x minus 30. So for the likes of these, where before the x squared is always a 1, I suppose you'd say. Alright, what we do is, first of all, actually on all of these, what we're going to do is we're going to look at our last number, or try and find the factors of it. Okay, so we go to minus 12, and our factors of a minus number, remember, would be a plus and a minus. So it could be 4 times minus 3, or minus 4 times 3. It could also be 6 times minus 2, or minus 6 times 2. It could also be minus 12 times 1, or 12 times minus 1. So it could be any of them factors that are right there, any of them. Okay, so what we're looking to see is, do any of these factors, remember the factor of the last number, minus 12, do any of these factors add to give me minus 4? So 4 minus 3 makes 1, so it's not that. Minus 4 plus 3 makes minus 1, not that. 6 minus 2 is minus 4. Or no, that's plus 4, isn't it? Then it must be minus 6 plus 2. So straight away for this one, my x squared minus 4x minus 12, I can write x minus 6 and x plus 2. Now what I'll always do at the end of this is I'll check it. So I'll do my smiley face, like so. So we'll go minus 6 times x, and that of course gives me minus 6x, and then x times plus 2 gives me 2x, and minus 6 plus 2x gives me minus 4x, and that's of course what I'm looking for there. Okay, so I'm right. Okay, right, if we want to look at the second one then, I'm just going to rub out the factors that are there on the right hand side. So now we're going to look at our second one, and we'll see that we have a minus 30. So we'll find the factors of minus 30, because minus 30 of course is the last number there. Factors of minus 30, minus 10 and 3, 10 and minus 3, 50 and minus 2, minus 15 and plus 2. Well, straight away I can nearly see what my two of them that will add to give the middle term plus 7 are, and that is 10 minus 3. So straight away, put in my brackets like so, my x, and I'm saying it's plus 10 and minus 3. So let's check that out. Let's do our little smiley face, like so. So x times 10 is 10x, x times minus 3 is minus 3x, and 10x minus 3x is 7x, so that's me correct. Alright, now I'm going to try one where we're going for our factors where the coefficient, the x squared coefficient, is greater than 1. So I start off and do this exactly the same. What I mean by exactly the same is we look at our last number, our plus 12, and we try and find the factors of plus 12. So plus 12, remember, it could be 2 pluses or 2 minuses. So it could be 12 times 1, or it could be minus 12 times minus 1. It could be 6 times 2, or minus 6 times minus 2. 4 times 3, or minus 4 times minus 3. Now what I'll do is, the difference of these ones is, we're not looking to see will it add to give the middle number here. This is all trial and error. Okay, by trial and error, what we're doing is, we're putting in our brackets first, like in the last ones, where we knew that the factors of 2x squared, or sorry, where it was an x squared, we knew we went x and x here. For 2x squared, we should know it should be 2x and x. If it was 3x squared, it would be 3x and x. If it was 4x squared, well, that's a little bit different, but we'll get back onto that again. 5x squared, 5x and x. 7x squared, 7x and x, and so on. So now we're going to start trial and sum for numbers. Okay, because what we're going to use here is we're going to use our smiley face method, like so. So we actually trial the numbers in here. Now, first of all, if you look over here at our factors on the right hand side, okay, we can see that these factors, there's pluses and there's minuses. But look at my number in the middle. It is a minus, so straight away I can say, do you know what? I'm not going to need any of these plus ones. So first of all, I'll try in minus 12 and minus 1. So let's try that one in there first of all. So we always do this in pencil. minus 12, and minus 1. So minus 12 times x is minus 12x. 2x times minus 1 is minus 2x. Add them together, I get minus 14x. No, that's not what I'm looking for. So rub them out and try the next ones. Okay, try minus 1 and 12 now this time. So minus 1 and minus 12. Again, do your smiley face method. Minus 1 times x is minus 1x. 2x times minus 12 is minus 24x. Add them together, I get minus 25x. No, I don't want them either. So now we try our next ones. We're going to try 6 and 2 now. So put in our 6. So again, it's minus 6 and minus 2. Minus 6 times x is minus 6x. 2x times minus 2 is minus 4x. Add them up. Now I get minus 10x. So no, it's not them. Try it the other way around now. So now we're trying minus 2 and minus 6. So minus 2 times x is minus 2x. 2x times minus 6 is minus 12x. No, they don't add up to 11 minus 11x. So we're going to try the next ones. So our next ones now we're going to try is minus 4 and 3. So minus 4 and minus 3. Minus 4 times x is minus 4x. 2x times minus 3 is minus 6x. Add the both of them up. Now I get minus 10x. That's no good. Try the next one. Okay, so now I'm going to try minus 3 and 4. Without that mistake. Minus 3 times x is minus 3x. 2x times minus 4 is minus 8x. What's minus 3x and minus 8x make? Minus 11x. Look, that's what I was looking for there in the first place. Minus 11x. So, that's my answer. It's 2x minus 3, x minus 4. It's all about trial and error in this one here.